sucks.
Oh man, oh that loot's gone.
No, the other guy's coming back now.
Yeah. Oh, the Feldpar will be waiting for him as well.
Yeah. He's going the wrong way as well.
Oh no. Oh, it's your buddy. Oh no! Oh man, that was close.
Nice save.
That was close.
Nice save.
Pretty of the loot's gone, done it. You guys need to go on a counter attack.
Got cooked there.
You're muted if you're talking.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
why is Soul Karate no signals?
Dude.
He's either he's underground, or most likely he's underground. But I can't just tell if he's dead.
Oh, is that why you don't get
I know
signal?
he's dead.
I was okay.
You know they're dead.
Yeah. If you're in a cave.
I'm
And you
pretty
can't
sure.
even be
I hear
teleported,
him being chased by the loot bug, and then I never heard from him again. I think there's some loot. I'm pretty sure he has loot.
Oh, they can. Oh, you can't teleport. Let's go.
Okay, there's
He has a
actually
lot
some
of loot.
There's some loot out near here too. I had to drop
There's
it.
so
Like
much
if you
loot.
look,
There's so much loot.
it's just
That's
off the
so
front right of the
unfortunate.
ship. But we have to.
Dude, we weren't
I just
even
I got
being
attacked by
greedy.
a cat,
We
so I wanted to
started
make sure I had a
heading back
weapon.
like at 2.
Yeah,
Just
they need to
you
go
watch
on
my
the
back.
counter attack. They need to go on the counter attack.
That's what I think
Okay.
it's
Take
right.
it back from them.
And if I die, just go ahead and take
Wait,
off.
grab a shovel. Grab a shovel. That thing is really heavy. Grab a shovel.
Oh, there's a shovel.
Yeah.
There wasn't
Oh,
any left
oh.
when I came here back.
Oh, good. Counter attack.
Where's all my shit? There was a giant around here too.
Oh,
Fuck you.
I heard something.
Fuck you. Get out of here.
Oh,
Fuck you.
is that what it is? Oh, shit. That's where it is. Oh man, where is that giant?
And there's the giant. That sucks.
Oh, nice. There's something. Oh, nice.
Nice. He's found a
Oh,
sub.
oh no!
That's
Damn
unfortunate.
it.
The clever girl, because she knows that, yeah, you gave me a double-handed item.